Okay, so for this question, we'll be working through prime costs and total manufacturing costs. The question states that Red Limited manufactures a single product. In the current year, direct material costs were £49,000 and direct labour costs were £61,000. Additionally, Red Limited incurred £145,000 of indirect manufacturing overheads and £164,000 of selling, general and administration overheads. So what are the prime costs and total manufacturing costs for Red Limited in the current year? It gives us our options, A to D. Now for this question, we would need to know the formula for prime costs, which is equal to raw materials, or mats, plus direct labour raw materials in this case is £49,000 and direct labour costs would be £61,000. So this leaves us with options C and D, as our total prime cost is equal to £110,000. Now to work out the total manufacturing costs, so TMC, that is equal to raw materials, or mats, plus labour plus indirect manufacturing overheads. So the raw materials we worked out was 49,000. Labour costs were 61,000, and indirect manufacturing overheads, which is stuff like rent, depreciation, repair costs, that stated that it was £145,000. Now if we add these figures up, it should leave us with £225,000 as our total manufacturing cost. Therefore, C is our answer for this question.